Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna bake. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cans of tuna, 250 grams of your favorite pasta, and about 150 grams of shredded cheese. You'll also need milk, flour, and butter for the creamy sauce. Cook your pasta according to package directions until it's al dente, then drain it well. This ensures a perfect texture in your finished bake. Now, let's assemble your delicious tuna bake. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta, the 2 cans of drained tuna, and your freshly made creamy sauce. This is also a great time to add any extra vegetables you enjoy, like 1 cup of frozen peas or corn. Gently mix everything together until it's evenly coated. Then pour the entire mixture into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. It's time to get that tuna bake into the oven. First, sprinkle a generous layer of about 100 grams of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella, over the top of the mixture in the baking dish. Place it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and beautifully golden brown. Your amazing tuna bake is ready. Before you dig in, let it rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the sauce set and makes serving much easier. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color and flavor. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal. Also, for other great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.